me, Daphne Sanglitan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel! And don't forget, mag-subscribe na kayo kay Daphne Sanglitan. And don't forget sa ating notification bells para update kayo sa aking mga vlogs. Entra, pasok! On my vlog about topic is Hi guys! Ayan! So, ngayon babalik na naman tayo sa magiging vlogger. So, for today, ayan, tutorial tayo paano makahanap ng jowa na asin na single. Ay, kagaya sa akin, I have a single. So, maghanap tayo ng single baby boys and mga liligawan natin ng mga boyfriend sa online lang. So, let's go for tutorial. Hanapin mo yung Moy. Moy app talaga, guys. So, mag-download na kayo at may avatar voice. Ayan, so install ninyo yan. Hintayin ninyo mga 10 minutes before para ma-install na yung ating sariling Moy app. Kasi 144 MB to talaga, guys. Daming talaga na mga afam dito ng mga single. Huwag ninyo ibigay yung location, what everything si location talaga, guys. Huwag ninyo ibigay at huwag ninyo ilagay ang original na pangalan, address, wag talaga, guys. Kasi dami ngayon manloloko. So, mag-ingat-ingat tayo. So, maghintay tayo ng mga 20 seconds, or 20 minutes. Ayan talaga na ba? Oo. So, 20 minutes talaga maghintay tayo ng ating mga avatar Moy. Ayan. So, grabe. So, maghintay kayo na para ma-download siya. After mo ma-download, di ba, mag-login kayo. Kung Android ba or Apple. Pwede siya sa Apple na Apple talaga. iPhone pala. Pwede siya sa iPhone. Yes. Pero mag-ingat kayo sa mga bata. Kung magamit nito, bawal ang bata. Bawal ang bata ng 17 age below. Kasi madami dito mga bastos tao. So, maghintay tayo ng mga 20 minutes. Ayan. So, babalikan ko kayo mamaya. Guys, ayan, grabe talaga. Dami manloloko ngayon. Dapat huwag ninyo ibigay yung address, full name, what everything sa name talaga. Huwag ninyo ibigay. Kung madaming itanong sa inyo yung Moy app, so wag talaga. Kasi madami ngayon loko-loko or madami talaga ng mga nagsasabog. Kasi ngayon wala na sino yung president natin, si Dr. Hindi natin alam sino yung president natin. Kasi ngayon oso ngayon, guys, na mga shabu. Mag-iingat talaga kayo ng mga madaming scammer. Yes, of course not, guys. Hindi ako manloloko, guys. Pero naghanap ako ng jowa talaga ng single. Just like me. So, grabe talaga, guys, na-enjoy ako mag-talking ng asin. Apam! Oo, grabe, be. At apam talaga ng lalaki na para ma-enjoy ka, merong kausap. Asin hindi ka na ma-bored. Oo. So, paminsan din dito sa Moy app, guys, asin sa Moy app talaga, daming talaga loko. Example kay Nathan. Kay Nathan talaga. I just taking a back. As in, nag-question ako sa kanya. Pero, sabi niya, I'm from Japan. Japan daw, Japan. So, haman dyan na Japan. So, pag ending nag-talk si Janang, parang Filipino or Pilipinas na language. O, di ba? Loka-loka, nag-video call pa kami sa Instagram ko. Oo, mabuti guys, hindi ko binigay yung IG ko na pangalan. Kasi, delikado. Mas delikado kasi malukit tayo dito ng ating mga afam natin, di ba? Ay, grabe talaga yung single, oh. Afam talaga. Oo. So, malukit kayo dito sa saan ka titira, saan yung bahay mo, o, di ba? Grabe, ang hirap talaga, no? Delikado. So, balikan natin yung ating dinandownload. Ayan, malapit na siyang matapos. 95% na lang para madownload na siya. So, feel ko lang to mga 5 seconds only lang. O, di ba? Ang bilis lang kasi ang wifi namin. Sobrang bilis na download. Okay. Ayan, na-install na siya, guys. Grabe, na-install na siya. Pero avatar lang, boses lang. Wala talaga dito nag-open camera. Oh, yes. Boses lang ang kausap mo siya at enjoy ka talaga ng kausap. So, ayan, just to click open, click talaga done. Ninyo yan, maghintay kayo na loading. Oo. So, chicken resources. Ayan, mag-check talaga kayo ng anong ayan. So, hintayin natin kung dapat yung internet mo faster or every time sa faster talaga. Pwede siya gagamitin niyo mag-talking ng afam. Oo. Ang ganito na, pag nakalagay na get for started with the Apple, wag niyo yan i-click kasi para sa iPhone yan. Pero yung get to started with Google, i-click niyo yan. So, pipili lang kayo kasi dalawang account ng ginamit ko. Yung original talaga kasi original ang ginamit ko. Ayan, so. Tapos, microphone ang ang daming. Okay, confirm lang ninyo yan. Allow. Click ninyo allow. Ayan, allow pa rin. So, after mo yan, di ba, nakalagay ng claim. I-claim ninyo yan, besh. I-claim. Yes. I-claim lang yan. Binigyan ka kasi. After mo yan, hintayin mo ito umiikot. 890 na yung aking gift kasi nagbigay siya ng 300 sa akin yesterday. Visit once a day. Dapat once a day. After mo yan, guys, pwede i-click niyo yung yellow yung phone ko. After mo yan, guys, i-click niyo yan parang yellow. After mo, 'di ba ilagay niyo yung age, gender, ayan. So, hayaan mo na lang yan. I-click niyo yan. Wait lang Ayan, nakikita ninyo yan. Promise. Just to wait para malukit kayo. Enter the room. Just you talking your boyfriend or girlfriend. Guys, na-enjoy pa rin ako sa baby boy. Kajujowa, di ba? Grabe yung ate mo, be. Nakaka-in love na at feeling ko may boyfriend na ako. Just dreaming. So, ayan, find my phone. Ayan, ganito lang lagi para makikita ninyo. Char. Ayan, enter the room. Be quiet. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please louder your voice.
Yeah?
Please louder your voice.
Don't listen. Can you share this?
What? What did you say? Hello? Monlib. Your name is
Yeah.
Babe, yes?
Yes, my name is Munib. And your name?
Olivia. My name is Olivia. You?
Nice. Nice name.
Me too. Just to meet you too.
Your voice is stuttering.
What?
Your voice is stuttering now.
You know, I know. I have a question for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything that keeps your focus without losing track of the time? Hmm.
Do you have a job?
Track and the time? What are you doing for my? Please answer my question.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you? Okay, next. If you want to change the world, what do you want to change?
Nothing much.
Nothing much. Uh huh. And the next question. What is the most allergic times of the day? Mhm. What is the most energized time of the day? Do you have Instagram? No, I don't want to give you Instagram because that is my private. Uh-huh.
Why?
It's private.
Not a problem.
Mm-hmm.
You can.
My family is strict. Mm-hmm.
No, 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 not a problem.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. You are so handsome just like me.
Ah,
Mm.
would you
Just
like?
mm-mm. There was a time it's 1 minute for talking to you.
Oh, not a problem.
Yeah, yeah. Later
How old are you?
I just to eat milk.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good. Same also.
I am 18 years old and my birthday is July 9. Oh my god, it's my birthday.
Today is your birthday?
July 9. Oh my god, that's my birthday.
9 July.
Yeah, it's July 9.
Oh,
Later, I want to
I
eat
will.
first. Guys, wala ko boyfriend since birth. Yes, wala ko talaga boyfriend na nakatilaw ng regalo ng bulaklak, chocolates, as in sariling date, wala talaga be. Bakit kaya? Alam ninyo na, stricta yung family ko. Oo. So, hindi talaga ako guys na pwede maglingkaw. Mag 26 na ako. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? Oo, nakakaloka naman yung life ko. So, try natin magkausap natin yung baby ko. To try and try to talk my BF. Ay, nako. BF talaga. Lovely boy. You are my lovely boy. Talkmate talaga. Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Hello, lovely boy. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm doing just talking to you. Hmm?
Okay.
Oh, you're so handsome, lovely boy.
Thank you.
Hmm? Hmm. What are you doing?
Uh, nothing. Just talking with you.
Hi, just to meet you. I'm from Canada. You are?
Are you from? I'm from India.
from Indian? Are you sure?
Yes, I am from India.
Okay. Canada is a very wonderful land and I don't know.
Mm,
Mm-mm. Are you finished to eating?
no.
Why?
What do you want to say?
What?
What do you say? I
Are,
ate?
are you finished to eating your breakfast, dinner, lunch?
No. 11 p.m.
What?
11 p.m.
Did you know
I
that?
will finish my
You can talk
I
my
will
mother.
finish my dinner.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, ayan lang tayo sa ating vlog. So, di ko alam paano ako makahanap ng boyfriend kasi bantay sirado talaga ako, be. Oo. Hindi ako makahanap ng jowa. As in, so, hindi natin alam kailan ako makaasawa nito. Mm-mm. So, I just to try another call in my feeling of feeling afam talaga. So, afam. Yes, afam, baby afam. And if you love, enter the room. Kiss. Yeah. Hi.
Hello, hi.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, and you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. You are?
Canada?
Yes.
Okay, but I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Just to meet you, we are friends together.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, yeah.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old. You are?
I'm 20.
Mm. Really? You are 20? Are you sure?
Yes, sure.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
You are 20? I'm just to asking your birthday.
my birthday 2004, 15 July.
July. It's July today. How the day your July your birthday?
15 July.
15. Oh, I'm so say happy birthday for you. Happy birthday to
So much.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, July 15,
Thank
it's your
you.
birthday. Wow.
Yes,
Nice.
com- coming on birthday.
You can invite me in your city, in your house.
What?
Oh, never mind.
Yes. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
come to Pakistan. You will meet with me.
Are you really for invite your birthday in July 15? Oh my God, really?
Yes.
Haha, joke. It's a prank. I'm stay here in my house. I just working hard. Did you know that? So
What you working?
plenty work. I have
What you work?
mhm. You're so
What
handsome.
you work?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You are?
Can I get your Insta?
Instagram? No, it's a private.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. It's a
Why you
private.
private?
No, I don't wanna give your Instagram, any IG, what everything's IG. It's a very private. My family is very strict. Did you know that?
No,
We
not a problem.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Trust me.
Uh-huh,
Just me. Why?
We are friends. Okay. Mm-hmm.
We are friends. They are not friends. Just go and
What? Okay, you can
what can I say?
okay, you can introduce yourself for me.
What?
Okay, my name is Olivia. I'm from Canada. I am 18 years old. My birthday is July 7.
7 years old.
Yeah. It's July 7. It's my birthday. You?
Happy
It's
birthday,
July
15 years
15.
old.
Yeah. Me.
Yeah.
I have a
Happy birthday
18.
advance.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Uh-uh. Thank you. I have a first Divo. Char. Divo.
What? What you say?
Yeah, I just to being up 18 years old, and what do you want wish for me? What do you
God
want
bless you.
say what to wish? It's my birthday.
I wish you very happy you and always happy. Nothing sad.
Louder please. I cannot hear you.
Hmm?
Hmm? Louder.
What to say? Hello.
Hi, louder. More louder. Louder voice.
What? What you say?
What what you wish for my birthday? For my 18 debut.
Wish you happy
Mm-hmm.
birthday, and I will give you some gifts, but you so far.
Yeah. You are a single status?
Yes, I'm single.
Really? We are friends. Do not be boy girlfriends for me, okay? It's
You are single.
yeah, I'm single too. You?
Same to you.
Hmm. Never mind.
What?
Never mind. You're so cute.
Thank you so much. I'm looking for a new well.
Mm-hmm.
Why can I get your number? What's
No,
up?
no, no, no.
Why?
Family is strict.
What?
My family is strict.
Nothing problem.
No,
Get
I don't want.
Insta.
Yeah, no. I don't want to give you anymore my Instagram, especially Instagram.
Why?
Mm-hmm.
You don't made me a friend.
No, I'm sorry.
Baad mein ja.
So I'm so very bored. Barkada ko guys, mga barkada ko nag-asawa na may anak na sila. Ako nito, single. Kailan kaya akong bibigyan ni Lord ng boyfriend? Hmm. Borda ba yan yung vlogger? Kalodya na as in single. Single ba tong mukha? mm. Bored na bored. Wala kausap. Bored in my life. Walang boyfriend. Kalodya na be na as in 26 na ako. Dapat guys, supportuhan na lang ninyo ako kasi hindi naman akong kagaya sa iba na buntis agad tapos biglaan lang to guys kasi hindi ko alam bakit kaya na sinabihan ako ng aking mga kapatid bawal ka magjowa na mga afam. Hindi naman kami nagkita ng personal, as in hindi naman ako nag open camera, hindi naman ako as in ganito guys, dapat supportahan lang ninyo ako kung anong gusto ko kasi sobrang bored na bored ako kapag single. Yung mga barkada ko nag-aasawa na, may anak na sila. Ako nito lagi na lang nagkukulong sa kwarto, kulong sa bahay. Ay, ang hirap talaga magiging single. Sana makakalabas din ako kapag meron akong jowa, no? Sana lang. Na-wish ako kay Lord. Kailan kaya akong bibigyan ni Lord ng jowa, as in bonding time in my life. Supportahan naman ninyo kung kapag meron jowa. Hindi naman ako as in ibigay yung location dito kasi alam ko naman malocate ako dito, di ba? Bawal. So, ayan natin sa ating vlog. And so, ayan natin sa ating vlog. See you on my next ko na vlog on July 7 sa anniversary sa Bible sharing. So, abangan na lang sa aking next ko na vlog sa anniversary on July 7 on Sunday. Kung ano naghanap doon sa aming party na sa Bible sharing. So, abangan na lang sa next ko na vlog. Bye-bye!
And don't forget guys, give me like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's me, Daphne Sangita. Give me thumbs up. Anong suggest ninyo guys?